Hey guys, I'm Claire.
And I'm Luke, and we are currently living in Australia in our van. We're full-time travelers, so we don't have a fixed address. And yeah, we're traveling full-time in our Mercedes Sprinter van. It's a 313 Sprinter with a long wheelbase and a high roof, because I'm pretty tall.
So we are relatively new to van life, actually. We've only been on the road for 4 months now. Obviously, the build took us about 3.5 months to build. So we've been surrounded with van life for much longer than we've actually been living it. But 4 months on the road, and we plan to be on the road for a lot longer yet. So come on in. I'll show you what we've done and, what we've sort of got, okay? So firstly, start off with our actual real plants. This is real. It's called, what is it called? Something, Devil's Ivy. And apparently it's fine just to live in water. So no soil needed. I've got aloe and a bit of lavender vibe and this really real plant from IKEA. So our drawers so far have kept up really well. We've got like little clips on each side of the drawers. That are actually working really well. Like when we're driving, nothing's sort of come out. So we're pretty happy with that. Our cutlery. Then we've got like 4 plates, 4 cups, 4 bowls. Nothing too much because we don't want to do too much washing. And then we've got our pots, pans, everything like that. Our beautiful sink with our hidden laundry. So I think that's quite a good tip. Our fridge is doing, this is our pantry. This is the only one that's fallen off the hinges a couple of times, but mostly it's been really good. Our fridge is 130 litre Bushmans. Again, so far it's been really good. Like it's totally chilling everything. It's even got a freezer. We don't have, we actually don't have anything in the freezer. There's just an ice box. But yeah, it's done super well, so we're really impressed with that. Our cupboards are already full of shit, and as you can see, the organisation level is a bit terrible, but we're getting there. This is all our summer gear in here. So we've got like our bikinis, dresses, Luke's board shorts, because obviously we don't need that right now.
What's it like living with a partner in the van? Well, from my side, I love it. We had a pretty, turbulent first week or two because we were just getting used to our roles within the van. But after that, it's been incredible. I mean, we've been together a long time, so I think we kind of know each other pretty well, and we've traveled a lot together. So for us, it's been a pretty quick adjustment, and we love it. We thrive off it.
We have our electrical. So this is our induction cooker, which we've been using every single day for all our meals. It's done this awesome. Like it doesn't cook amazingly, so it like burns one side and sort of things the other, but we're getting the hang of it and it's okay. And then that's all our winter woolies, jumpers, beanies, big socks, interesting stuff. I'm super happy with our mattress. So we ended up getting like a really thick IKEA mattress because sleep is priority, and to be honest, both of us have like really been thankful for that because it's done amazingly. Like we're so comfortable in here and we sleep really well. We've got our dunny. We haven't needed to use that except for once. We've had an emergency that he forgot to tell me. It was a secret emergency. Anyway, he dealt with it and it seemed to be okay. I mean, I never smelt anything, so yeah, I'm pretty happy, but I've never used it as yet. We've been pretty lucky and there's been public toilets everywhere. We've got our toiletry cupboards. Bit of a mess again. So my toiletries, Luke's, and then just mixture of our stuff, first aid kit. Then we've got Luke's cupboard. Look at all that. That's all these clothes. How is that, Luke?
Simple.
Simples. And then mine, I have to jump onto the bed. Oh shit. Yeah. it's a bit of an issue trying to close it, but hey, I'm pretty impressed. That's it. That's the life of Van.
What do we do for work? Well, I still have my business in the UAE. We produce and sell eco-friendly accessories, and I work on it remotely from here in Australia from the van. And Claire?
I'm a personal trainer, yoga instructor and nutritionist, and at the moment I am actually taking a break. So I'm making the transition to online. So it's not really a break because I'm building my online business at the moment. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, making the transition to online rather than face-to-face clients. Our shoe drawer. You can only fit one pair of shoes in there. But hey, it's handy.
Plus the flip-flops.
Our mirrors, actually, to be honest, look, we've bolted them. Not bolted them, what's that, screw? We've screwed them in, and we've been on some big potholes, and everything's been sweet. Like, these bananas have been sweet. They've like maybe smushed up a bit, but nothing that stayed on, and that's only on like by a hook, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, so I mean, it's done really well. If you come out to our back, I can show you. My mum made these like beautiful little coverings for us, so they're just like lightweight. And they're just Velcro. So we've got our hose for the drinking water, because you need a blue one to drink from. Didn't know that. Our laundry basket, table, and what's that, clothes horse?
Gas cylinder.
Gas cylinder, yeah. We're sleeping with our gas cylinder in the car. Still a little bit nervous about that, but you know, so far so good. And then this side, we have Luke's ridiculously heavy weights. Our deck chairs, and our beautiful barbecue drawer. Our barbecue's already a bit gross, but yeah, this is it. That's our barbecue drawer, our extension cord for when we plug into a caravan site. But we do have an outdoor shower, so come on. So this is our outdoor shower. It's more like a toilet squirter, but hey, it's an outdoor shower. We haven't actually used it because it's cold water, so it's obviously been freezing. So I guess the further up north we'll go, we'll start to use that. That's our plan anyway. But we've been like stealth camping it out the front of friends' places who have kindly offered out showers. So realistically, we've been having a shower most days. I would say every day, right? Everyone you meet on the road is amazing because they're all in the same attitude and the same way of life and sort of the same outlook. So it's really nice to be surrounded with like-minded people constantly.
Yeah, so I think the community in van life is amazing. Even from an online perspective, if you're just talking on Instagram, then you'll get loads of guidance and tips, where to sleep, where to, I don't know, get food, where to fill your water, what, you know, all the kind of mundane things, but also like the bigger picture as well. And we've been able to meet such awesome people. It's been a huge part of, I think, our experience. So yeah, wouldn't change it for the world. Epic.